at this level, because I worked with Basti and Charlestown before, you don't send a civil servants to negotiate with the government. You negotiate at the governmental level. I'm hearing fees, and they're high fees. They're high fees, and I could understand that just like us, some could want to protect their borders. But my advice would be to your administration to formally contact the office of the Prime Minister or the Minister of Tourism in Bastille. And at that level, you would be able to discuss and exchange. And I'm sure that the government in Bastille would make certain exceptions and some of the arrangements in terms of fees and all what we hear talking, that it could be a different situation. Again, no disrespect to the gentleman, but at this level, you don't send a civil servant. At the political and governmental level, you or your colleague need to take that responsibility. Thank you very much.